Good afternoon. So, I was asked to talk a little bit about M&A and what's happening in the mergers and acquisitions market in the U.S., obviously relative to aerospace. And what I'd like to also do is to make it more relevant to the audience as well is, share some perspectives about what's happening, where are the various growth opportunities for companies coming in. Just a little bit about McLean, just to sort of set the context. We're not investors, so we don't write checks. We basically provide advisory services, sell-side, buy-side M&A, capital raising, and then also valuation services. And so we're looking around a wide range of sort of small, mid-sized businesses, sort of 30 million to 300 million size revenue, but across a lot of different industries. What I'd like to cover this afternoon is some of the key themes and investment trends that are going on, talk a little bit about the M&A activity, and then some of these emerging investment opportunities that I think a lot of players could have an interest in. So it's a cyclical industry, aerospace. So you see that the commercial is on the ups, the defense is on the downside. That doesn't mean that there's opportunities in the downside. So for the commercial side, you see the build rates, Boeing and Airbus, record backlog, 10,000 aircraft on order. A lot of implications for the supply chain. So there's opportunities there for a lot of different players in various facets. We'll talk a bit about that. Then on the utilization side, you see opportunities both in the maintenance, repair, and overhaul, and also for fixed-based operations. And so I think those are some key investment themes for investors, both strategics and private equity players. On the defense side, despite the downturn in the US market, cyber has been a very interesting segment. Unmanned has gotten some interesting activity, both emerging commercial opportunities, but also in the defense space. Defense electronics cutting across the whole gamut. And then also, as mentioned earlier today, ISR applications have certainly been increasing in the budget.